I was really stunned by what happened last night. Hindi ko in-expect na gano'n ang mangyayari. And after the verbal gymnastics of Senate President Francis Escudero, I was expecting that they would really tackle the impeachment trial. Pero at the last part of the session, ni-remand nila yung case na pinasok ng House of Representatives. Nakaka-insulto po ito eh. Malinaw po naman na talagang ginawa namin ang lahat. Kaya kami nag-sign doon because we believe na tama ang dokumentong ipinasok sa Senado. First time itong nangyari na ibinalik sa House of Representatives. And I'm really very disappointed with the Senate of the Philippines.
Sir, kasi po ang inantay lang po ng pag-remand po sa impeachment complaint back to the House of Representatives because na of the three earlier impeachment cases na ano daw po dapat ang dapat na mauna. Baka raw kung nila baka nire-review before impeachment. Your thoughts about it?
Hindi naman. Kaya nga sinabi kong I was the one who endorsed the third impeachment case and we waited for the final action of the committees and then yung first and second pinagsama-sama nga at ginawang fourth impeachment case. So ibig sabihin yung mga nakalaman sa first, second and third cases kasama na po doon sa fourth impeachment case. So, I signed the fourth impeachment case.
Pero hindi ko ba medyo issue yun? Kasi nga, meron first, second, and third, tapos biglang yung fourth, at tapos ang tagal din in-standby, COVID-in-standby po sa Sec-Gen. So, of course, yun po yung concern ng Senate na baka yung fourth impeachment complaint might violate the one-year rule.
I don't think so. Tama yung sinasabi ng isang senador na if they had some doubts at that stage, they could just send some clarificatory communications to the House of Representatives at huwag nang i-remand yung case. Nakaka-insulto yung ginawa nila eh. Kasi ang House of Representatives saka ang Senate of the Philippines co-equal branches ng gobyerno. At parang ang ginagawa nila, they are trying to supervise us. So, hindi ko maintindihan ang nangyari kagabi.
May nilabag po ba ang Senate sa ginawa nila? Yung binalik nila sa Congress yung article.
Ano po yun?
May nilabag ba ang Senate?
No, I am not a lawyer, but I have been reading the pronouncements made by legal luminaries and they are saying na unconstitutional yung ginawa ng Senate. I don't know. Let the experts come up with the necessary pronouncements regarding this matter.
Sir, do you have a message for the Senate? Do you have a message for the Senate?
Yeah. Sana maging respectful din sila sa House of Representatives. Wala pang nangyaring ni-remand ang case. Sa pagkakaalam ko, first time itong nangyari sa history of the country.